Dear student, today I am taking a very important topic, that is reaction mechanism for all competitive purposes and board examinations. What is reaction mechanism? In chemistry, a reaction mechanism is the step-by-step sequence of elementary reaction by which overall chemical change occurs. A chemical mechanism is a theoretical conjecture that tries to describe in detail what takes place at each stage of an overall chemical reaction. The detailed steps of reaction are not observable. In most cases, the conjectured mechanism is chosen because it is thermodynamically feasible and has experimental support in isolated intermediates or other quantitative and qualitative characteristics of the reaction. It also describes each reactive intermediate, activated complex and transition state, and which bonds are broken and in what order, and which bonds are formed and in what order. A complete mechanism must also explain the reaction for the reactants and catalysts used. Now substitution reactions, types and mechanism. Substitution reaction in organic chemistry are classified either as electrophilic or nucleophilic depending upon the reagent involved. Whether a reactive intermediate involved in the reaction is a carb cation, carb anion or a free radical, and whether the substrate is aliphatic or aromatic. Nucleophilic substitution. Nucleophilic substitution is a fundamental class of reaction in which a leaving group is replaced by an electron-rich compound, that is nucleophile. The whole molecular entity of which the electrophile and the leaving group are part is usually called the substrate. The nucleophile essentially attempts to replace the leaving group as the primary substituent in the reaction itself as a part of another molecule. The most general form of reaction may be given as the following. This is nucleophile plus R leaving group gives R nucleophile and releases leaving group. The electron pair from the nucleophile attacks the substrate RLG, forming a new bond, while the leaving group departs with an electron pair. The principal product is, in this case, is R nucleophile. The nucleophile may be electrically neutral or negatively charged, whereas the substrate is typically neutral or positively charged. An example of nucleophilic substitution is the hydrolysis of an alkyl bromide RBr under basic condition where the attacking nucleophile is the OH minus ion and relieving group is bromide ion. There are two types of reaction mechanism, that is SN2 and SN1 reaction. SN2 reaction mechanism. This is nucleophilic bimolecular. Therefore, it is known as SN2. reaction between CH3Cl and hydroxide ion to yield methanol and chloride ion follows a second order kinetics, that is, the rate depends upon the concentration of both the substitution reactants. See figure. It depicts a bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. The incoming nucleophile interacts with alkyl halide, causing carbon halide bond to break, and a new bond is formed between carbon and attacking nucleophile. Here it is CO bond formed between C and OH ion. These two processes take place simultaneously in a single step and no intermediate is formed. As the reaction progresses and the bond between the incoming nucleophile and the carbon atom starts, the bond between carbon atom and leaving group weakens. As this happens, the three carbon hydrogen bonds of the substrate start moving away from the attacking nucleophile. In transition state, all the three CH bonds are in the same plane and the attacking and leaving nucleophile are attached to the carbon. As the attacking nucleophile approaches closer to the CH bond, still keep on moving in the same direction till the attacking nucleophile attaches to the carbon and leaving group leaves the carbon. As a result, configuration is inverted. The configuration of carbon atom under attack inverts in much same way as an umbrella is turned inside out when caught in a strong wind. This process is called as inversion. Configuration in the transition state, the carbon atom is simultaneously bonded to incoming nucleophile and outgoing leaving group. Since this reaction requires the approach of the nucleophile to the carbon bearing the leaving group, the presence of bulky substituents on or near the carbon atom have a dramatic inhibiting effect of the simple alkyl halide. Order of reactivity hindered by bulky groups, that is, first methyl, then ethyl, then isopropyl, and then tert butyl. Here tert butyl will go for SN1 reaction. Factors affecting the rate of the reaction. First is substrate. The substrate plays the most important part in the determining rate of the reaction. This is because the nucleophile attacks from the back of the substrate, thus breaking the carbon leaving group bond and forming the carbon nucleophile bond. Therefore, to maximize the rate of the SN2 reaction, the back of the substrate must be as unhindered as possible. Overall, this means that methyl and primary substrate react the fastest, followed by secondary substrates. Tertiary substrate does not participate in SN2 reaction because of steric hindrance. The second factor is nucleophile. Like the substrate, steric hindrance affects the nucleophile's strength. The methoxide anion, for example, is both a strong base and nucleophile because it is a methyl nucleophile and is thus very much unhindered. Tert butoxide, on the other hand, is a strong base but a poor nucleophile because of its three methyl groups hindering its approach to the carbon. Nucleophile strength is also affected by charge and electronegativity. Nucleophilicity increases with increasing negative charge and decreases electronegativity. For example, OH is a better nucleophile than water, and I minus is a better nucleophile than Br minus in polar protic solvents. In a polar aprotic solvent, nucleophilicity increases up a column of the periodic table as there is no hydrogen bonding between the solvent and nucleophile. In this case, nucleophilicity mirrors basically I minus would therefore be a weaker nucleophile than Br minus because it is a weaker base. Verdict: a strong anionic nucleophile always favors SN2 manner of the nucleophilic substitution. Third, the solvent. The solvent affects the rate of the reaction because solvents may or may not surround a nucleophile, thus hindering or not hindering its approach to the carbon atom. Polar aprotic solvents like tetrahydrofurane are better solvent for this reaction than polar protic solvents because polar protic solvents will hydrogen bond to the nucleophile, hindering it from attacking the carbon with the leaving group. See, a polar aprotic solvent with low dielectric constant or a hindered dipole and will favor SN2 manner of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Example is dimethyl sulfoxide, dimethyl formamide, acetone, etc. Fourth, leaving group. The stability of the leaving group as an anion and the strength of its bond to the carbon atom both affect the rate of the reaction. The more stable the conjugate base of the leaving group is, the more likely that it will make the two electrons of its bond to carbon during the reaction. Therefore, the weaker the leaving group is as a conjugate base and thus the stronger its corresponding acid. The better the leaving group. Example of good leaving groups are therefore the halides except fluoride due to its strong bond to the carbon atom, and tosylate whereas OH and NH2 are not. Second type of substitution nucleophilic mechanism is SN1 mechanism. SN1 reaction are generally carried out in polar protic solvent like water, alcohol, acetic acid. The reaction between tert-butyl bromide and hydroxide ion yields tert-butyl alcohol and follow the first order kinetics. The rate of the reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant, which is tert-butyl bromide. Therefore, it is known as SN1 substitution reaction. The reaction occurs in two steps. In step 1, the polarized CBr bond undergoes slow cleavage to produce a carb cation and a bromide ion here. The carb cation thus formed is then attacked by nucleophile in step 2, see here. To complete the substitution reaction, here step 1 is the slowest and reversible. It involves the CBr bond breaking, or for which the energy is obtained through solvation of halide ion with the proton of protic solvent. Since the reaction depends upon the slowest step, the rate of reaction depends only on the concentration of alkyl halide and not on the concentration of hydroxide ion. Further, greater the stability of the carb cation, greater will be its ease of formation from alkyl halide and faster will be the rate of the reaction. In case of alkyl halide, 3 degree alkyl halides 3 degree alkyl halides favors SN1 mechanism. For the same reason, allylic and benzylic halides show high reactivity towards the SN1 reaction. The carb cation thus formed gets stabilized through resonance as shown below. For a given alkyl group, the reactivity of the halide follows the same order in both the mechanisms, that is Ri, then Rbr, then Rcl, then Rf. Next type is electrophilic substitution. The overall reaction mechanism, denoted by Hughes and Ingold mechanistic symbol ACAR, begins with the aromatic ring attacking the electrophile E+. This step leads to the formation of a positively charged and delocalized cyclohexane hexadienyl cation, also known as an aranium ion or Whelan intermediate or arene sigma complex. Many examples of this carb cation have been characterized, but under normal operating conditions, these highly acidic species with donate the proton attached to the sp3 carbon to the solvent for any other weak base to establish aromaticity. The net result is replacement of H by E in the aryl ring. Occasionally, other electrofugues group that can live without their electron pair beside H plus will depart to re-establish aromaticity. Thus, these species include silyl groups as SiR3 plus, the carboxy group CO2 plus H plus, and iodo group as I plus, and tertiary alkyl groups like T-butyl as R plus. The capacity of these types of substituents to live is sometimes exploited synthetically, particularly the case of replacement of silyl by another functional group, that is ipso attack. However, the loss of groups like iodo or alkyl is more often an undesired side reaction. See in figure reaction mechanism, how electrophile attacks and the product we get. So hope you like this video. It is good for all competition. Please share the needy person or a student, and subscribe my channel through link. Thank you.